Well, happy birthday, America. July 4th, we celebrate you. One of the things that I just want to make clear to everyone here is that we live in the greatest country on the face of this world. I remember when I was an advisor in Macedonia, in Skopje, Macedonia, during the Balkan Wars back in the mid to late 90s. One of the things that I saw was how many people respected the fact that we were present. Our presence everywhere in the world was always pivotal. People always want to know what was it about the American people there that made it so special that other forces did not have. I've been to most of the continents in the world, save for one, and every time I go and I return back home, I'm always so happy and always be proud to be called an American. So this 4th of July, I just want to share something very special with you. Know that we are blessed. We're a country that has been blessed. And the people outside the world, though they might not see that or share that, inside their hearts, they know it. So America, I just want to say happy birthday. Be proud to be an American. Bless the soldiers out there. And remember, also not just the soldiers who are out there, but also the people in this country who make it happen. Our families, our friends, those who we advise, those who we embrace, those who we care about. Make sure that you know that we spread the word of the gospel, because that is what made us the nation that we are today. Let's keep that in focus as we continue on in this life as a beautiful nation. God bless.